Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. I thank all the viewers for nice comments. So today the question is, it is a shortlisted question for Math Olympiad. Suppose A, B, C, D are positive real numbers satisfying A plus C into B plus D equals to A product C plus B product D. Find the smallest possible value of S, which is equals to A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A. So let's find a short method. So question is about S equals to A by B plus B by C plus C by D plus D over A. So here I am taking out of this I am taking pairs A by B and C by D and applying arithmetic mean is always greater than equals to geometric mean. Here I'll get A over B plus C over D is greater than equals to 2 times of square root of AC over BD. Similarly, taking B over C, D over A is greater than equals to 2 times square root BD over CF. So now adding these two, I'm getting the sum. So A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A is greater than equals to 2 times product of, I'm adding, so square root AC over BD plus square root BD over AC, or A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A is greater than equals to, now I'm simplifying this to here the square root ABCD, and thus numerator will be AC plus BD. Now AC plus BD is given to your A plus C multiplies B plus D. I'll apply this. Or this implies that A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A is greater than equals to 2 times of A plus C multiplies B plus D over square root ABCD. Next again applying ANGM concept or relation, we can write A plus C is greater than equals to 2i square root AC, and B plus D is greater than equals to 2i B plus D, BD. So we'll apply in this here. So we'll get A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A is greater than equals to 2, again 2 times of square root AC to 2 times of square root BD over square root ABCD. So this will be cancelled on the right side, or we'll get A over B plus B over C plus C over D equals to plus D over A equals to greater than equals to your 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So value of or smallest value A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A equals to 8. I hope you enjoyed the solution and please share if you like it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.